Hello guys, welcome back to Fix It Danny. If Smart App Control is blocking an app as unsafe on your Windows PC, don't worry. This usually happens because Windows security sees the app as new, unfamiliar, or potentially risky. In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily disable Smart App Control in Windows security and then turn it back on after the installation is complete. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Fix It Danny for more helpful Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. In this tutorial, let me show you how to temporarily disable Smart App Control in Windows Security. For that, click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. Here, click on Privacy and Security. Here, click on Windows Security. Here, click on App and Browser Control. This will open the Windows Security window. Here, under Smart App Control, click on Smart App Control Settings. Here, select Off to turn off Smart App Control. Now the warning message shows that if you turn it off, you can't turn it back on unless you go to Windows Recovery Options and reset this PC. It's okay, just click on Yes, I'm sure. Now Smart App Control is turned off. Now you will be able to install the app or software. Once the installation is done, you have to turn it on again. To turn it on, you can see that here it is not possible. So for turning it on, close these windows. Click on the Start menu. Search for Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. Here, under Computer, click and expand, then click and expand System. Then click and expand Current Control Set. Then click and expand Control. Then click and expand CI. Then click on Policy. Here, click and open Verified and Reputable Policy State. Here, change the value data from 0 to 1. Click on OK. Now go and check Smart App Control. Now you can see that Smart App Control is turned on. Now if you want to turn it off again, click on Off here, or go to Registry Editor again. Change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK. Now go and check Smart App Control. Now you can see that Smart App Control is turned off. That's Realize. That's it. Thanks for watching Fix It Danny. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.